Yeah, where is other students? Children, are you there? Jaydeep, Ashwath Reddy.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
And where is Yadharth? Yadharth came out today class. I think I didn't see Yadharth.
No, ma'am, he didn't join still.
Okay. And Drona. Yes, Drona, are you there in the class?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am, a little.
Okay. Am I audible to you right now?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's good, ma'am. Now it's clear, ma'am.
Yeah, what is this point? Yes. Drona, please, what is this point is called as? What is that point? Is it interior point or center of the circle? What about that?
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Yes, ma. You are unable to see?
No, ma'am, we
Ma'am, it's
can't
not
see the
visible.
screen share, ma'am.
I can't see the screen.
Just a minute. Just I'm thinking I'm sharing my screen.
Ma'am, some background noise is coming.
1 minute.
That-
Anna. I don't know how I did it, but I'll try myself. Sharing. It is coming different. Children, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Nana. I don't know what happened. This today it's not at all opening. Now you are able to see, children. Children, now you are able to see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just a minute. Nana. Maybe due to network issue, it is not opening very quickly. Nana. Yeah, what is this shape, children?
Yeah.
Rona,
Ma'am,
what is that? What is that point is called?
Center, ma'am. Center, ma'am. Center,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Center of the circle. Suppose, can I, what is this? Suppose
Radius,
circle-
ma'am.
Very
Radius,
good.
ma'am.
Radius. Suppose if I'm connecting this radius to other point as OB, what is this? AB is nothing but how, what is AB, children? AB is how much? What is AB?
Ma'am, diameter.
Diameter, ma'am.
Very good. AB is diameter. OA or OB, anything should be radius. Very good. Next, my point is, I'm going to draw few lines like that. What are those lines, Nana?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sectors.
chords. Chords.
Chords, ma'am.
Yeah, these lines we are call it as chords. Next, this region, whatever the region inside this region is called
Ma'am, segment. Segment.
segment. Which is the largest chord, Nana? Which is the largest
Ma'am,
chord?
diameter.
Very good. Diameter is the largest chord. Now, suppose if I'm going to take this portion, this two radius, and so there is a region, covered region. What is this, children?
Ma'am, sector.
Sector. Very good. These are the points you're supposed to remember very carefully, children. I won't go much about this because we already discussed each and every point in that region. And which is the largest chord? Such a question, if they're asking, you're supposed to be ready with answer. And next thing, now I'm going to test your knowledge. Yeah. Sudisha. Sudisha, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is acute angle?
Ma'am, 90 degrees. Ma'am,
No.
less. Ma'am, less
Oh.
than 90 degrees. More than
Very
0.
Very good. Next, the question to Drona. What is obtuse angle? Drona, are you there? Drona, obtuse angle. As Sudisha said, ma'am, this is an acute angle. Yes, it is acute. Yes. Drona, what is this angle?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Sudesha. We'll ask
Yes, ma'am.
Drona. Drona, what type of angle is this? Please answer quickly, Drona, so that we can't waste our time.
Ma'am, he is speaking on mute, I think.
Please unmute and speak, Nana.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I was on mute. It was obtuse angle, ma'am.
Very good, obtuse. Now, question 2, Jaideep.
Sorry, ma'am. I
Jaideep.
was speaking on mute, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Collinear points. My question is for collinear points. Collinear points.
Ma'am, what are collinear points?
Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, the points which are side by side and are on the same line.
Okay. So suppose, suppose if I'm going to take the points A, B, C lie on the same line. Can we say these points are collinear? A, B, C are collinear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. That means what you have to say, children, collinear points means they're supposed to lie on the same line. They're supposed to lie on the same line. What is the meaning of concurrent lines, Nana? What is the meaning of concurrent lines? Very important, children. We are not discussing. That's why I'm asking you. What is the meaning of concurrent lines?
Ma'am, I think the ones which are located outside of the circle or box or XYZ.
Concurrent lines. Suppose if I'm taking this is a point. If the same point, many lines are traveling. Can we call it as concurrent lines? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these are the concurrent lines. Don't
Ma'am,
forget.
the point center of those lines are concurrent points. Line.
Yeah. Yes, concurrent point. Right. Very good. Sudesha, what type of lines this is?
Ma'am, parallel lines.
Very good. Now, Ashwath Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of line is this?
Ma'am, perpendicular. Ma'am.
Very good. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular symbol is volta children. Perpendicular lines. Very good. Perpendicular means is the what type of lines these are? Intersecting. Very good. Intersecting lines. Meeting at a point means intersecting lines. Very good. Now, the question is, what is the difference between these 2 points? What is the difference between these two? This is also meeting one point. This line is also meeting one point.
Ma'am, it is
What is the
tilted, ma'am. It is tilted.
Tilted and any other?
Cross,
Suppose this is not tilted. What is the difference between this down angle and this angle?
Ma'am,
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 ma'am, the first one which you have drawn is the perpendicular and the second one is the intersecting, ma'am.
Very good. The first one is what I draw is this one. Now you tell children which is perpendicular, which is intersecting.
Ma'am, second is perpendicular, whereas first and third are intersecting.
Very good. Why it is perpendicular means it is dividing through 90 angle, right, children? Sometimes perpendicular bisector. Sometimes perpendicular bisector. The word they are going to use perpendicular bisector. That means suppose if this is a line segment AB, if it divides into 2 equal parts, exactly 2 equal parts, then we call it as a perpendicular bisector. Bi means equally dividing. Suppose this is a point O, OA equal to OB. Then we will call it as perpendicular bisector. Nana. Bisect means bi means 2. It is making equal parts, 2 equal parts. That's why perpendicular bisector. Don't forget about any point. These are the interesting points. Now, how to measure angles, Nana? How to measure angles? What is the instrument
Ma'am, by
used
using
to
the
measure?
protractor.
Yeah, protractor.
Protractor is an instrument used to measure an angle. Very good. Yeah. What is an instrument used to construct an angles?
Ma'am, compass.
Very good. Compass is an instrument used to construction is different, measuring is different, Nana. Now my question, I'm going to give few questions about this. Now you people should be little alert and let me give answers for my questions. Calculate unknown in the each of the following. My angles are given. This is the given figure. You need to find out unknown angle. This is given as 7x. This is given as 3x. This is given as y.
Ma'am, it is, ma'am, exact way I have to say.
Now I want x values, Nana. 7x, how much? This is 7x. See, children, if you take this line, this is a straight line, right? Yes, children. This is that is nothing but a straight line. Straight line. What is the angle for straight line?
Ma'am, 180 degrees.
But it is divided into two, 7x and 3x. So we will can I connect as a 10x equal to 180 here? Yes or no?
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Because this is a straight angle. So we can add these two angles, 7x and 3x. We will get 180. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10x equal to 180. X is equal to, if you, what number, if you multiply with the 10, you will get 180, Nana. If you multiply it, x equal to 18. 18 tens are 180. 18 tens are 180.
Ma'am, y is the obtuse angle, right?
Now you can go with the y value. How you supposed to find out y value? Y is exactly opposite to 7x. Yes or no?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
vertically opposite? It is vertically opposite. These two angles are equal. Y equal to 7x. Y equal to 7 into x. 7 into x value, what you will get, children? 18. 18 7 times. Who will give answers first? 18 5s are 90. 18 6 are 108. 18 7s are
126.
126. So angle y equal to 126. Angle y equal to 126. Angle x equal to, sorry, this is also same angle, so that we can take it as 126. Vertically opposite angles are equal. 3x, 3 into 18. 18 3 times, Santrana. 54. This is also 54. This is the way we can find the unknown angle in the given, using the given conditions. Any doubt you understand, or any doubt in this bit, children? Please let me know so that I can help you.
Ma'am, I don't have any doubt.
See, what is the condition? Means they are taking, this is the one straight line. What is the angle for straight line? Straight angle is how much, Nana?
180 degrees.
180 degrees.
So here it is divided into two pieces. One is 7x, one is 3x. So these two together we are taking. That means two together means x equal to 180. So x value, x is equal to 18. So that we will get 18 as x value. Now you need to find another angle. Vertically opposite angle to this 7x. So this is given as y. So that if this is both are same, reason also you have to find out, Nana. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite means, suppose if I'm writing like that, this angle and this angle are equal. That another one is this is equal. This is equal to this one. Vertically opposite angles, Nana. Vertically opposite angles. You can write like that. Vertically opposite angles. Understand? Based on these properties, we are finding the unknown thing. Now let me give one more question to you. Sudhisha, this
Yes.
is 30. This is angle 130 given. You need to find out the value of x. What is the x value, Sudhisha?
Ma'am, so, ma'am, x will also be 130.
Wonderful. Very good. Very good. Why it is 130?
Because it's opposite, but its shape did not change.
Vertically opposite angle. Very good. It is vertically opposite angle. Now, Lohini, this is 40 degrees. What is y value?
Same, ma'am. 40.
Y equal to also 40 degrees. Why Lohini?
Because the opposite angle is the same, ma'am.
Vertically opposite angles are same. Very good, ma'am. Very good. Next one. Next one, Ashwath Reddy, please be ready for the question. I'm giving to you the question. This is a line given, and this is one more transversal made like that. Sorry, another line is cutted like that. This angle is given as 117. This one we cutted into this opposite angle. We cutted into two equal parts, three equal parts. Let me cut with another color so that you can recognize easily how they are cutted. They're cutted like a small some K angle, some 30 angle, some 40 angle. They're taking this as 40, this as 30, this as some K angle.
Yeah,
Now-
ma'am, you're asking me what is the K angle?
1 minute, 1 minute. I will give many. Now you need to find out all the angles like RP2. Come on, everything you're supposed to find out.
Ma'am,
First you
can
have to first you have to find out. First you have to find out K angle, Nana.
It's 47, ma'am. Ma'am, K angle is 47.
Wonderful, Nana. Very good. What about P
Ma'am,
and
because
R?
40 plus 30, ma'am, it is 70.
Okay.
117 minus 70 will give 47.
Very good. Very good. Wonderful. Very good. I want P and R angles too. How are you supposed to find out P and R? Who will? Jaideep, can you give me
Ma'am,
P and R?
ma'am, P and T must, I don't know, ma'am.
You are unable to. Jaideep, who will answer P and R
Yes,
values?
ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am,
Please, who will answer?
ma'am, just a second, ma'am.
You can take that complete angle. You can take this is a complete angle, Nana.
Ma'am,
Then you will find out easily.
ma'am, the R will be 63, ma'am.
Let me check. If it is 63, this is also 63. Then 63 2 times means 126. 117 2 times means 117 2 times means entrana. 7 2s are 14. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. 234. Let me add these two so that if you are getting exactly equal to 360 means what you are doing is correct. Wonderful, Jaideep. Wonderful. Very good, Nana. Jaideep, you are correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. Very good. Children, you understand how Jaideep got that? Can you please explain others to Jaideep how you did?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because the first straight line, ma'am, it is divided into two parts, ma'am. One is 117 and the another one is the R, ma'am. So 180 minus 117 is 63, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. P plus 117 equal to 180. That's a straight angle. So P value as you are getting 63. So that directly you will go with R value is vertical opposite means that is also same. Very good, Nana. Lohini, you understand Lohini what Jaideep said?
No, ma'am, I
No.
didn't understand.
Lohini, this is straight line. This is straight line. So this complete angle will be happens. What it happens? Complete one.
180 degrees.
So can I take as a P plus 117 equal to 180, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you only I want P value means you need to subtract from 180 117. So please, if you subtract, what you will get? Please subtract and give. It says 10 minus 63, Nana. That's why 63 is correct. Lohini, you understand the point?
Yes, ma'am, I understood now.
Very good. This is the application sums. They will test you, children. You have to be alert while they are giving.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what app is this?
Which one, Nana? What I am using?
Yes.
This is a phone. In my phone only it is there, Nana, inbuilt. Today I don't have laptop. I suddenly unable to log in. First I log in, Lohini also joined, and suddenly something happened to laptop. I'm unable to. But I'm using phone and touch screen. Shall we go to new chapter, children? That's all. Nothing is not there. Everything we covered. Can we go with understanding elementary shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next topic is understanding elementary shapes, Nana. This is little very important. In the basic part also we discussed everything about the triangles, quadrilaterals, and
This is
polygon.
new chapter, ma'am.
This is new chapter, Nana. Understanding elementary shapes. Understanding elementary shapes. Understanding elementary shapes. Elementary
Ma'am,
shapes. Yes.
ma'am, that day, ma'am, you
Yes.
told one rule, ma'am, right, ma'am? Angle A, angle B, angle C. Ma'am, there's somewhere, if it is 180 only, we can get the triangle, right, ma'am?
Yes, Nana. Yes.
Ma'am, I got only sum of multiples of 10, ma'am. Some examples of multiples of 10. Yes.
Okay, okay. Now, Nana, before going, very good, Nana. Please work on that, Nana. Please, as a students, you can a lot of energies. You can think and you can try it. Yeah. Now I'm going to. What is polygon, Jaydeep?
Ma'am, the closed figure bounded by line segments.
Is it a simple closed figure or any complex closed figure too?
Ma'am, simple closed curve.
Very good. Yes. If you want, you can just write down the polygons. Some few polygons I'm going to draw here, children. Whether you have to check whether these are polygons or not. Lohini, is it a polygon?
Yes,
ma'am,
it is.
Sudisha, is it a polygon?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Jaydeep, is it a polygon, Jaydeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now this is a polygon.
No, ma'am.
But what are these two types of polygons? There are two varieties of polygons, Nana. One is convex and concave. Concave means we can diagonals will appear outside, Nana. It's like looking like a cave. These are concave. Concave polygons. Convex polygons. Diagonals are interior. We can see diagonals
Ma'am,
are interior.
ma'am, are there only two types of polygons, ma'am?
Yes, Nana. One is convex and another one is concave polygon. Convex polygons means diagonals are interiors. Concave means diagonals are exterior. Diagonals means opposite vertices, Nana. Diagonals means diagonals where it located. If it is diagonals are located in outside the boundary line means, so that we can call it as what we can call it as concave polygon. See, Now let me show one more picture here for you. Now you just observe, children. Yes, so please observe the figure. How I can do? What is the definition for polygons? Concave polygons. Diagonals should be at diagonal means suppose this is the figure A, B, C, D, E. Yes. Now non-adjacent vertices we can meet. Now you have to check. This is a non-adjacent vertices you can meet. This is the diagonal of the polygon. So that what we can conclude, children, diagonals may be inside or interior. Not only interior, it should be exterior too. This is the best example for that. Next one. Types of polygons we discussed already. What are different types of polygons, children? Who will give correctly? Sudhisha,
Yes, ma'am.
what are different types of polygons? What are
Ma'am,
different types?
convex and
Very good. What are those?
ma'am, convex polygons like the polygons like triangle and triangle, quadrilaterals, pentagon, like that, ma'am. And concave polygons are polygons which have a place on the polygon where it is shaped like a cave.
Children, are you there? Children, are you there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You are very pin drop silent. You have to respond, right, children? Now, we know that what are five-sided polygon. Now I want the name of the polygon.
Ma'am, pentagon.
Very good. This is pentagon. Next one. Sudhisha, what is this picture name?
Ma'am, it's a hexagon.
Very good. Now Ashwath Reddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath Reddy.
Next, seven-sided polygon septagon, ma'am.
I'm not drawing that. Please see this is
Ma'am, that is octagon.
1, 2,
No,
3,
ma'am, that is a
4,
septagon.
5.
Septagon.
Septagon, Nana. Next. Drona. No, just a minute, Nana. It is. Now you have to check, children.
Yes, ma'am, I'm checking, ma'am.
How many sides, please? Let me know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eight sides.
Octagon, ma'am. Octagon, ma'am.
Very good. Next, 9-sided polygon. Nanogon and decagon. Very good. Next, what are different types of quadrilateral, children? Yes, I will draw few figures. Please, what are different types of polygons? What are different types of polygons?
Ma'am, these are quadrilateral.
Yeah, please go through the different elements of the quadrilaterals also we discussed previous class. I don't want to much about this because in this class also it is repeated, but we need to know properties of a quadrilateral. Let me write down, children, please write down the properties of quadrilaterals. First, we'll go with the types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. What is the first one? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. What is meaning of parallelogram, Nana?
Ma'am, it is also like a type of rectangle, ma'am, where the two opposite sides will be slightly bended.
Very good. Then what we can say? We can say that there are two sets of parallel sides, right? Yes or no? Write down some points about quadrilaterals. That parallelogram you're supposed to write it. A, B, C, D are parallelogram. Diagonals and bisects are each other. Diagonals bisects each other in quadrilateral. In this parallelogram too. You just write down the formulas, Sana. No, the only statements you have write down in quadrilateral ABC. AB parallel to, what are the things? AB parallel to what line, Nana? AB parallel to? AB parallel to DC,
Ma'am,
DC. Then
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
D
ma'am,
Ma'am, is it
DA is
DL
parallel
or
to
DC?
CB.
very good. AD is parallel to BC. Very good. Very good, Nana. These are the 2 points. Once if it is over, what about vertices and what
Ma'am, is
about
that L or C?
which one, ma?
Ma'am, ma'am, in the figure, ma'am. Ma'am, and I also didn't understand one thing, ma'am.
Yeah, just a minute, Nana. Yeah, there is a network issue. I'm unable to reach you properly today. What is doubt? What's your doubt? This
Ma'am,
is parallel
Ma'am,
symbol.
not that symbol, ma'am. Ma'am, in this figure, ma'am, A, B, then D and another one is there, ma'am. Is it L or is it C, ma'am?
This is C, Nana. This is C. A, B, C, D.
Ma'am, because capital letters, right, ma'am.
Yeah, A, B, C, D. You just name it as well. Because of a network issue today, I am unable to continuously proper channeling is not happened, Nana. That's why it is happened. Okay, anyway, now I can see here, these are the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. And what about what other points we can write it, children? A parallelogram, what happens in parallelogram? Opposite angles, anything you
Ma'am,
know
it
about
tilts,
that?
ma'am.
What is opposite angles are equal? Yes or no? Yes, what
Opposite
are
angles. Ma'am, but in square as angle
opposite
A
angles
equal
are
to
equal?
angle C, angle, ma'am, but in square it is same, right, ma'am?
Square all are 90, Anna.
Ma'am?
All angles are 90.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I sent you a private message.
Okay. Just a minute, ma. We'll see. Very good. Here, parallelogram means the two sides, Anna. These are parallel sides. These are the parallel sides. You can see and write it also. And two angles, opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. These are the 2 points you're supposed to remember. And diagonals, what about the diagonals bisect each other? Diagonals means we can write like that. Diagonals bisect each other.
Ma'am, we can
Diagonal.
write like angle A equal to angle C, angle A equal to angle B, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle A, like that, ma'am.
Like that only, ma. But you supposed to tell the value of D. Please construct properly and come with that tomorrow, so we can discuss about rectangle, square, and rhombus part 2, children. We are going to discuss about the different properties of quadrilaterals and how it is using in our lesson. We will discuss those points in next class, children. Please go with all different types of quadrilaterals and come with your properties. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the rest of the part of quadrilaterals.
Mama sent you a message.
1 minute, Nana. I'm unable to see the message because I can stop here. Then I should go. 1 minute. I'm going. I will check.
Ma'am, can what is the homework, ma'am?
Today your homework is you have to go through the different types of quadrilaterals. Yes, draw different types of quadrilaterals like a kite.
Please stop sharing.
Yeah, just a minute. I will stop. Then I can see. Now, yes, now you are unable to see my screen, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. I can see chart from Sudisha. Ma'am, I created a quiz on angles, only 5 questions. Very good, very good. Please share,
Can you
Sudisha.
share one?
Please share, please share. Very good, Sudisha. Good job.
Thanks.
Can I do play?
Yes, ma'am. You also play, ma'am. You will be first rank.
Ma'am,
No, I'm not going to be as first. Why? Because I will give chance to my students only. Just a minute, Nana will play. Where is the chart? Okay. Sudisha, I'm also joining. Please allow me. Am I audible to you, Sudisha?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will also join.
Ma'am, only I am there, ma'am.
And I also joined right now. What I should do, children? I will write
Only one
something.
person is there. It's me, ma'am.
Start. I should. Okay, I'm joining. Just a minute. I'm joining.
You need at least 2 players to start the game.
Okay, I joined. Please check, Nana.
You
Yes.
need at least 2 players to start the game, ma'am. It's not coming.
I am getting she on. You
Ma'am,
just go.
Ma'am, after you click on the link, you will get to an option called challenge friends, ma'am. You click on that. You can
I
enter
don't-
your name and you can click start.
I don't know, but I started. I got that, Nana. What angle is
Ma'am,
this?
can I share my screen and show?
1 minute. 1 minute. You can play that game you individually because I'm doing right now.
Ma'am, I completed the game and got first rank, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. You completed.
Ma'am, I'm not able
Yes,
to play
ma'am.
the game.
Ma'am, I don't click on challenge friends, click on start game.
Yeah. What
Okay.
is the meaning of an acute? I supposed to write here, right? Okay.
Ma'am, it got ended.
Very good. Acute means I supposed to write. Nice questions, Sudisha.
What is a riffraff? What is the meaning of?
Thank you, Sudisha, and such a nice question, simple question you're giving for me. I think I completed. There is a point coming. Just a minute. That's all. No other
It's very
question.
easy, ma'am.
Right. Anything, but Sudisha made it for us something recapitulation.
Ma'am,
For
I
me,
got
also,
4,930 points, ma'am.
that's
What
all,
is
Sudisha.
something
Shall I start share?
Yes, ma'am.
60 degree.
What I have. Okay. Thank you, Sudisha, for a beautiful points we discussed. Thank you so much. What about Lohini? Did you play that game? Lohini, did you play? Lohini played, mom, or not?
Ma'am, I got a rank